بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ياسين والقرآن الحكيم.
By the oath of the wise Quran,
إنك لمن المرسلين.
you, O beloved, have been sent as a messenger
على صراط مستقيم.
You are upon the straight path,
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
sent down by the dignified, the merciful,
لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون.
in order that you may warn those people whose forefathers were not warned, hence they are unaware.
لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Undoubtedly, the word of punishment has been proven against most of them. Consequently, they will not believe.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
We have indeed put shackles around their necks, reaching up to the chins, hence they remain facing upwards.
وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون.
And we have set a barrier in front of them and a barrier behind them and covered them from above. Consequently, they see nothing.
وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
And it is the same for them, whether you warn them or warn them not, they are not to believe.
إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
You warn only him who follows the advice and fears the most gracious without singing. Therefore, give him glad tidings of forgiveness and an honorable reward.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
Undoubtedly, we will bring the dead to life, and we are recording what they have sent ahead and the signs which they have left behind. And we have kept counted all things in a disclosing book, i.e., the preserved tablet.
واضرب لهم مثلا أصحاب القرية إذ جاءها المرسلون.
And relate to them an example of the people of that city when envoys came to them.
إذ أرسلنا إليهم اثنين فكذبوهما فعززنا بثالث فقالوا إنا إليكم مرسلون.
When we had sent two envoys towards them and they belied them, so we strengthened them with a third. Now they all said, Indeed, we have been sent to you.
قالوا ما أنتم إلا بشر مثلنا وما أنزل الرحمن من شيء إن أنتم إلا تكذبون.
They said, You are not but humans like us, and the Most Gracious has not sent down anything. You are merely liars.
قالوا ربنا يعلم إنا إليكم لمرسلون.
They responded, Our Lord knows that we have indeed definitely been sent towards you.
وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.
And our duty is nothing but to clearly convey the message.
قالوا إنا تطيرنا بكم لئن لم تنتهوا لنرجمنكم وليمسنكم منا عذاب أليم.
They, the people of the city, said, "We think of you as bad luck. Indeed, if you do not desist, we shall surely stone you. You will certainly face a grievous punishment by our hands."
قالوا طائركم معكم أئن ذكرتم بل أنتم قوم مسرفون.
They responded, "Your bad luck is just with you. Are you getting annoyed with being advised? Rather, you are a people who exceed the limits."
وجاء من أقصى المدينة رجل يسعى قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين.
And from the furthermost side of the city came a man running. He said, "O my people, obey the sent ones.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
Obey those who do not ask from you any reward, and they are on the straight path."
وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون.
And what hindrance do I have for not worshipping him who has created me, and towards only him you are to return?
أأتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون.
Shall I appoint other gods except Allah, that if the Most Gracious intends any harm to me, so their intercession would be of no use to me, nor would they be able to save me.
إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين.
Undoubtedly, I am then clearly in error.
إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون.
I have certainly believed in your Lord, so listen to me.
قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون.
It was said to him, "Enter paradise." He said, "Somehow had my people known."
بما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين.
How my Lord has forgiven me and made me amongst the honored ones.
وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين.
And thereafter we did not send down an army from the heaven against his people, nor were we to send down any army there.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون.
It was just one shriek, they immediately became extinct.
يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And it was said that, "Woe to those bondsmen when a messenger comes to them, so they ridicule him."
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا قبلهم من القرون أنهم إليهم لا يرجعون.
Have they not seen how many generations we have destroyed before them, that they are now not to return to them?
وإن كل لما جميع لدينا محضرون.
And however many there are, all of them will be brought forth in our majestic court.
وآية لهم الأرض الميتة أحييناها وأخرجنا منها حبا فمنه يأكلون.
And a sign for them is the dead earth. We revived it, and then we produced from it grains, so they eat therefrom.
وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون.
And we have made in it gardens of dates and grapes, and we have made some springs to flow therein.
ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملته أيديهم أفلا يشكرون.
That they may eat from its fruits, and these gardens of fruits are not created by their hands. So will they not acknowledge the right of Allah?
سبحان الذي خلق الأزواج كلها مما تنبت الأرض ومن أنفسهم ومما لا يعلمون.
Purity is to Him who created all in pairs from those things what the earth produces, and He also made pairs from themselves and from those things of which they have no knowledge.
وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون.
And a sign for them is the night from which we draw out the light of the day. Thereupon they are in darkness.
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
And the sun moves towards its final point, i.e., the day of judgment. This is the command of the Almighty, the All-Knowing.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
And we have appointed phases for the moon till it becomes like a dried, i.e., curved branch of a date tree.
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون.
It is not befitting for the sun to overtake the moon during the night, nor does the night surpass the day, and each one of them is floating in an orbit.
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون.
And a sign for them is that we carried them in a loaded ship, i.e., the Ark of Nuh, while they were in the loins of their forefathers.
وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون.
And we have created for them similar boats in which they ride.
وإن نشأ نغرقهم فلا صريخ لهم ولا هم ينقذون.
And if we will, we may henceforth drown them, so there will be no one to help them, nor would they be saved.
إلا رحمة منا ومتاعا إلى حين.
But by the mercy from us, and to allow enjoyment for a while.
وإذا قيل لهم اتقوا ما بين أيديكم وما خلفكم لعلكم ترحمون.
And when it is said to them, fear that which is in front of you and that which is to come after you, with this hope that you may attain mercy, so they turn away.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
And whenever a sign comes to them from the signs of their Lord, so they turn their faces away.
وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين.
And when it is said to them, spend some in His path out of that which Allah has provided. So the disbelievers say regarding the Muslims that, shall we feed him whom had Allah willed, He would have therefore fed? You are not but in open air.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come if you are truthful?
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
They await not but just for that one scream which will seize them while they are caught up in worldly disputes.
فلا يستطيعون توصية ولا إلى أهلهم يرجعون.
So neither will they be able to make a will nor return to their homes.
ونفخ في الصور فإذا هم من الأجداث إلى ربهم ينسلون.
And the trumpet will be blown at once. They will run towards their Lord from their graves.
قالوا يا ويلنا من بعثنا من مرقدنا هذا ما وعد الرحمن وصدق المرسلون.
They will say, woe to us, who has awakened us from our place of sleep? This is that which the Most Gracious had promised, and the messengers had spoken the truth.
إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم جميع لدينا محضرون.
It will not be but just one scream, and every one of them will immediately gather in our majestic court.
فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
So, on this day, no soul will be wronged in the least, and you will not be recompensed, except for what you did.
إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
Verily, the dwellers of the paradise on this day will be enjoying heart-desired entertainment with satisfaction.
هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون.
They and their wives are beneath pleasant shades, reclining upon thrones.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
For them in it are fruits, and they will have whatever they ask for.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
Upon them will be salam, i.e., peace mentioned by the merciful Lord.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
It will be commanded, and keep yourselves apart today from the believers, O you criminals.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
O children of Adam, did I not take a covenant from you that you should not worship the devil? Undoubtedly, he is your open enemy.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
And you must worship me. This is the straight path.
ولقد أضل منكم جبلا كثيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
And he has indeed misled a large number of you. So, did you not have sense?
هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون.
This is that hell of which you were promised.
اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Enter in it today the recompense of your disbelief.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
This day we shall set a seal on their mouths, and their hands will speak to us, and their feet will bear witness to what they used to do.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى لَمَسَخْنَاهُمْ عَلَى مَكَانَتِهِمْ فَمَا اسْتَطَاعُوا مُضِيًّا.
And had we willed, we could have consequently wiped out their eyes, then they would have rushed towards the path, so they would not have perceived.
وَلَوْ نَشَاءُ لَمَسَخْنَاهُمْ عَلَى مَكَانَتِهِمْ فَمَا اسْتَطَاعُوا مُضِيًّا وَلَا يَرْجِعُونَ.
And had we so willed, we could have henceforth disfigured their faces while they were in their homes, that they would not have been able to go forward nor turn back.
وَمَن نُّعَمِّرْهُ نُنَكِّسْهُ فِي الْخَلْقِ أَفَلَا يَعْقِلُونَ.
And whomever we give long life, we reverse him in creation. So, do they not understand?
وَمَا عَلَّمْنَاهُ الشِّعْرَ وَمَا يَنبَغِي لَهُ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا ذِكْرٌ وَقُرْآنٌ مُبِينٌ.
And we have neither taught him to recite poetry, nor does it befit his dignity, that what he recites to you is nothing but advice and the luminous Quran.
لِيُنذِرَ مَن كَانَ حَيًّا وَيَحِقَّ الْقَوْلُ عَلَى الْكَافِرِينَ.
That it may warn the one who is alive, i.e., the believer, and the word of punishment be proven against the disbelievers.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّا خَلَقْنَا لَهُم مِّمَّا عَمِلَتْ أَيْدِينَا أَنْعَامًا فَهُمْ لَهَا مَالِكُونَ.
And did they not see that we have created for them cattle, which are made by our hand of power, so they are their owners?
وَذَلَّلْنَاهَا لَهُمْ فَمِنْهَا رَكُوبُهُمْ وَمِنْهَا يَأْكُلُونَ.
And we have subjected the animals for them, so they ride some and they eat some.
وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ وَمَشَارِبُ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ.
And for them therein are numerous benefits and drinks, so will they not be grateful?
وَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ آلِهَةً لَعَلَّهُمْ يُنصَرُونَ.
And they have appointed other gods except Allah, that perhaps they be helped.
لَا يَسْتَطِيعُونَ نَصْرَهُمْ وَهُمْ لَهُمْ جُندٌ مُحْضَرُونَ.
And they cannot help them, and they together with their armies will be brought as captives.
فَلَا يَحْزُنكَ قَوْلُهُمْ إِنَّا نَعْلَمُ مَا يُسِرُّونَ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ.
So you, O beloved, do not grieve over what they say. Indeed, we are aware of what they conceal and what they disclose.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الْإِنسَانُ أَنَّا خَلَقْنَاهُ مِن نُّطْفَةٍ فَإِذَا هُوَ خَصِيمٌ مُّبِينٌ.
And did man not see that we have created him from a drop of fluid, i.e., sperm? He is openly quarrelsome straight away.
وَضَرَبَ لَنَا مَثَلًا وَنَسِيَ خَلْقَهُ قَالَ مَن يُحْيِي الْعِظَامَ وَهِيَ رَمِيمٌ.
And he mentions an example for us, and forgot his own being created. He stated, who is such that can revive the bones when they have become disintegrated?
قُلْ يُحْيِيهَا الَّذِي أَنشَأَهَا أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَهُوَ بِكُلِّ خَلْقٍ عَلِيمٌ.
Say you, O beloved, the one who created them initially will revive them, and he is aware of all aspects of creation.
الَّذِي جَعَلَ لَكُم مِّنَ الشَّجَرِ الْأَخْضَرِ نَارًا فَإِذَا أَنتُم مِّنْهُ تُوقِدُونَ.
The one who has created for you fire out of the green tree, you ignite from it instantly whenever you want.
أَوَلَيْسَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ بِقَادِرٍ عَلَىٰ أَن يَخْلُقَ مِثْلَهُم بَلَىٰ وَهُوَ الْخَلَّاقُ الْعَلِيمُ.
And the one who created the heavens and the earth, can he not create more of the likes of them? Why not? And only He is the Supreme Creator, the knower of everything.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
And His action is only this, that when He intends to create anything, so He only says to it be, it immediately becomes.
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
So, glorified is He in whose hands is the control of everything, and towards only Him you will be returned.
صدق الله العظيم.